Have you ever marveled at the ingenuity of modern construction techniques? Today, we dive into the realm of wood construction technologies that are pushing boundaries and reshaping the way we build. Imagine a world where houses are not just structures, but living, breathing entities that contribute to sustainability and innovation. In this video, we'll explore 12 groundbreaking wood construction technologies that are elevating the industry to unprecedented heights. Stick around to discover how these advancements are revolutionizing the way we think about architecture and design. TimberHP insulation stands as a testament to innovation in the construction industry. Crafted from wood fibers, it boasts exceptional durability against moisture, mold, and rot. What sets it apart is its ability to endure 2 hours of direct fire contact, thanks to the incorporation of borate. This common chemical, found in various products, lends TimberHP its fire-resistant properties. Notably eco-friendly, it's made from wood chips and recycled materials from sawmills. TimberHP actively captures and stores carbon dioxide throughout its lifespan, resulting in a remarkable negative carbon footprint. No wonder the company is thriving, having even acquired a paper mill and transformed it into a production hub for this remarkable insulation solution. In response to the climate crisis and the high carbon dioxide emissions in the construction industry, TRIQBRIQ AG introduces TRIQBRIQ. These innovative bricks, akin to Lego bricks, utilize beechwood dowels for connection, eliminating the need for glue or screws. Builders can now expedite the construction process, with a 500 square meter floor taking merely 2 days, compared to the conventional 10 to 20 days with concrete. Versatile and suitable for load-bearing walls, TRIQBRIQ offers endless possibilities for building reconstruction, ushering in a new era of sustainable construction practices. What started as a modest woodworking shop has evolved into an international design sensation, all thanks to Format Wood. Their acoustic wood panels have garnered rave reviews for their ability to bring a softness reminiscent of freshly baked bread to any space. Made from oak, ash, and American walnut, these panels not only enhance speech clarity by absorbing over 60% of sound in the 200 to 800 Hz range, but also elevate the aesthetic appeal of any environment. Whether it's a recording studio or a residential home, Format Wood panels offer a compelling solution for acoustics and design. For a secure and efficient connection, look no further than X-Fix insulation. By inserting X-Fix elements into grooves and tapping them with a hammer, builders can achieve a sturdy fix without the need for glue, screws, or complex parts. This method proves effective for fixing roof, ceiling, and wall elements, with the classic CR100 version offering versatility in various applications. Notable projects utilizing X-Fix include the Bauhaus Archive in Berlin and the HASSLACHER office building in Norway, both boasting spacious floor areas and showcasing the reliability of this innovative insulation solution. When it comes to megabeams, HASSLACHER Gruppe is the go-to expert. With the ability to handle the necessary calculations and craft beams of colossal proportions, this company delivers unparalleled solutions for large-scale construction projects. Whether it's a bridge in Austria requiring a beam heavier than an M1 Abrams tank, or the iconic Mjøstarnet Tower in Norway standing tall as the world's tallest wooden building, HASSLACHER Gruppe rises to the occasion. Their commitment to quality and innovation extends beyond conventional limits, shaping the landscape of modern timber construction. Afold presents a revolutionary approach to housing construction with its innovative foldable houses. Taking inspiration from jigsaw puzzles and origami, these houses can be assembled in just 6 hours, offering a swift and efficient solution to housing needs. Light and easily adaptable to various terrains, Afold houses stand as a testament to creativity and functionality in architecture. Whether it's for camping or clamping areas, these foldable houses provide a comfortable and practical living space in record time. As Spain's largest engineering university, MPDA Barcelona Tech leads the way in designing and constructing intriguing structures. Their pavilion projects, utilizing the Zollinger system and birch plywood, showcase the fusion of delicate aesthetics with robust engineering. These modular structures pave the way for potential mass-produced wooden buildings, offering a sustainable and scalable solution to modern construction challenges. With a focus on innovation and sustainability, MPD at Barcelona Tech continues to push boundaries in architectural design. Advantage deck tiles offer a convenient and stylish solution for DIY enthusiasts looking to transform their outdoor spaces. These tiles, made from Brazilian natural wood, are renowned for their durability, beauty, and ease of installation. With a simple interlocking design, even a single person can revamp an old concrete walkway or patio in just a day. The rich color of the wood deepens over time, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of any outdoor area. Mold and rot protection ensure longevity, making Advantage deck tiles a popular choice for enhancing outdoor living spaces. Garbolado introduces the clip-up system, a patented method for installing flooring that simplifies the installation process. With no need for glue or magnetic bases, the floor can be used immediately after installation. The system relies on polymer clips with special milling, ensuring a secure fixation while allowing for easy removal of floorboards when needed. Garbolado, a leading manufacturer of wooden floors, produces over 1 million square meters annually, providing high-quality flooring solutions for residential and commercial spaces alike. Laverty Log Homes combines authentic craftsmanship with modern techniques to create classic log homes and advanced frame structures. With the expertise of a former vice president of the International Log Builders Association, the company blends traditional techniques with cutting-edge software to ensure precision and quality in every project. Whether it's crafting timeless log cabins or contemporary frame structures, Laverty Log Homes is committed to delivering excellence in wooden home construction. Ubbink bituminous tape offers reliable protection for wooden deck beams, safeguarding them from the elements and prolonging their lifespan. With durability to withstand temperatures ranging from -40 to +80 degrees Celsius, this tape provides UV resistance and protection against corrosion. Easy to install even in colder temperatures, Ubbink bituminous tape ensures the longevity of wooden structures, making it an essential component for outdoor construction projects. This concludes the overview of the 12 wood construction technologies that have reached a new level in the industry. From innovative insulation solutions to foldable houses and advanced timber engineering, these technologies showcase the versatility, sustainability, and creativity of wood in modern construction practices. As the industry continues to evolve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. And remember, sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends and spread the love. Got any questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.